Say cheese.
Hi. I can't find any elk.
I don't see any elk.
I've been looking. All I saw was 2 geese flying by, but no elk.
I see lots of cars. I don't see any elk.
I do have to say, I would love to take the bicycles out here. There's like a really nice bicycle ride or drive path. What do you call it? And our first no dog sign right there. Not even on a major road.
I tell you what, they do not like dogs in Yellowstone and the Tetons.
Any national park
They just
out
like,
here.
they're not dog people.
No. I mean, on the East Coast, Shenandoah National Park, we never had an issue with that. They allow dogs everywhere.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's just a West Coast thing. If it's different over here.
We love our dogs.
Yes. We can never bring them. What's the point of traveling with your dogs when you have to board them every time you do something?
I know.
You know what I mean? Where's the point of that?
Where's our dogs right now? At home.
Exactly. We're on a time countdown.
Tetons. Well, I definitely understand why they say get here early, because these places, they get packed quick. And we're all the way in the back with the RVs, buses, and trailers, and we're still looking for a spot.
Maybe it's a good thing that we were a little bit late in the game this morning.
So just for reference, it's 10 a.m. So we're not like hitting the trails at 6 trying to get things done.
Yeah, that's quite the task with a less than 2-year-old and an 8-year-old, trying to get them up early in the morning. We tried.
Found one.
Yay. Found a parking spot.
Well, parking spot big enough for me to fit in.
Yeah.
Those are 2 different things. There's parking spots and you're like, yeah, that's not gonna happen. That might be for a Mini Cooper or something. We're on a different scale of can't find parking.
Yep.
Junior Ranger vest.
And let me just do this. There we go. Got everything in here. Now I need my hat. There we go.
I don't even know if they're straight. Good enough. I was standing on my shoestring while trying to pull my shoestring. That doesn't work. Did you find anything interesting yet?
Found a map.
Yeah.
Ooh, perfect.
And also we have to return it after.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, part of it.
We just found a place off the beaten path here at Jenny Lake, and the great thing about Jenny Lake at the Tetons is that it's very much family friendly, and that's great for us, always trying to find a place to walk the dogs, take the stroller, take the kids. But here you can go straight to the lake and the kids can jump right in.
Where did that come from?
The wind just picked up, and apparently we've got 3-inch waves. Yeah, but definitely a good place to kind of camp out and get off the beaten path. So definitely a cool breeze and a good find.
And the water is crystal clear. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, the water is absolutely amazing.
Cause mommy was hungry at the time, and now I'm glad I was. Oh yeah, open that for me.
You ready for the
Me too.
cheesy salsa?
Mm-hmm. There's gonna be some cheese dip.
So I'm in the basement, pulled the wall down, and got access to the actual Progressive Industries surge protector. This is actually installed backwards. So I have to put it in the right way. That way my switch right here will work and power will actually come on when I flip the switch. Because right now it does not. And I have to go in here and bypass it, and that is not the right thing to do. So before we hit the road again, I want to make sure we get this done. That way I don't have to worry about it anymore. So this is what I did wrong. This right here is backwards. So this whole thing has to be disconnected from here and here, turned 180 degrees, and then put back together. So I installed this backwards. It doesn't always go right the first time.
So we're done? No more taking stuff in and out of the basement?
Nope, it's all good.
Yes! That makes things so much easier, thank you.
You guys don't know how relieved I am to finally get this done. It took probably 35 minutes. I have been putting it off since Virginia. And we're nowhere near Virginia. We're in Wyoming right now. So all the way from Savannah to San Francisco, back down to Pahrump, Nevada, and straight up to where we're at now in Wyoming. Every time we stopped, I had to pull everything out of the basement, come in here and bypass it. Awful. Don't ask me why I procrastinated. Of all the things I could have been doing, it should have been that. So just to let you guys know, it's okay to do it wrong. It's as long as you don't burn everything up, you're fine. I actually had to call Progressive Industries and they walked me through it, and they didn't have a clue what I was talking about. And then on the phone when I was talking with them, it finally dawned on me that we're not getting anything because it's reversed. So I told them, I said, thanks for your help, and we're good to go. Great guys on the customer help line, especially during COVID. Got this back working again. I'm happy. We're gonna put this back together. All right. So, swapped it around, put it back together, turned it on, nothing happened. And then I realized you have to wait 2 minutes because I didn't pull a little pin out of the circuit board. But you wait 2 minutes, pop, everything works, comes on. Show you this. 119, 6 amp, and E0. That's it.
Well,
We've never had E0 before.
the 2 minutes felt like forever because we're like, oh my god, is it working? And of course, Lee decided to do it in the afternoon when it's getting dark. But luckily it's working now. And the 2 minutes is actually, if you think about it, as soon as you plug in your rig when you get to the new site, it's going to take you 2 minutes to get everything situated anyway, so it's not going to be that long. But when you're waiting for it because you think, oh my gosh, is it working or is it not working, it feels forever.
The final touches. I'm sure when they built this, they weren't worried about dropping anything, because I found probably 4 or 5 screws already.
That they dropped?
Yeah.
Here, change the vacuum cleaner back while you're down there.
Seriously?
Yep.
That's nasty. So this is a big old heavy bag of yuck. Oh, missed a Cheerio. Put that back in there. All right. So I found your bag of goodness.
And?
It's changed.
Told you it was full.
You were right.
You said, oh, you still got so long. This is not full. Yeah, it was full.
It's pretty full.
I can smell it when it's full.
Yep, I was wrong.
Well, I'm gonna go throw it away. Thank you. Are you excited? Are you excited?
All right, guys, when you wash your rig, all you really need is a bucket and some rags. That's it. But the problem with that is that if you do that, you have to have a ladder. And everything that you should do is not be on a ladder. In fact, everything that we found and everything we've looked for is to try to wash your rig quick, easy, and convenient, but have the tools that aren't going to break the bank. In fact, you can go online, and I know you have, look consistently online to find stuff that is just outrageously expensive.
Yeah, $300 to $500 for a set just to wash your rig. Excuse me.
$300+. I don't think so. In fact, a lot of the things that we found, from squeegees to mitts, we just pieced them together ourselves, and you can too. In fact, this right here, we just picked up at a box store. It's just a regular squeegee, and then you just buy the extensions and just put them together. And next thing you know,
I got those extensions at Walmart in the car section.
Yeah, in fact, that's where this one came from. So you buy the 8-foot extension pole, and this is just the car part. In fact, this actually came with a handle, and we just threw the handle away.
Yep.
Put it on here, and you're good to go.
Yep.
So you don't have to break the bank in trying to find anything online in Amazon that says RV, because usually anything that says RV, it might be great, but we have kids, and we're not breaking the bank trying to buy really expensive telescoping poles when we can piece together our own.
Because in the end, I mean, microfiber is microfiber. You can use rags, you can use a microfiber pad like this. I mean, all you're doing is washing a rig.
Yeah, that's it.
So enough talking, let's go ahead and start washing.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna show you how the shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. You better hold on to the leather and thread, 'cause we're gonna take off like a thoroughbred. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Look at the stars, don't they shine it bright? The moon is full, so it's a perfect night. Give me a kiss and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. Look at the stars, how they shine so bright. The moon is full and makes a perfect night. So come along and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. Gonna take you for a drive in my brand new ride. Gonna take you for a drive in my brand new ride. Gonna take you in my brand new ride, 'cause I got a new car and the keys are inside. I'm gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
So after talking to you guys, we went inside and found our owner's manual, and we turned to page 173 in our book, and it actually talks about exterior cleaning. And in the book, it says to, 1, avoid commercial washing, and 2, it says to use a mild detergent.
Oh, mild liquid soap
Mild liquid soap.
without wax, because apparently if you use the wax and soap, it just builds up, and it's only made for small surfaces like cars. So don't use the soap and wax combination.
Just to let you guys know, full transparency,
Guess what's in this bottle? Dawn.
guilty.
Yep, we are guilty, and we're gonna get rid of it. Well, I'll just use it for my dishes instead.
If it's not good for the rig, it's not good for the dishes.
So you want me to use car wash?
We're using it for everything.
Turn the microphone on. I have boogers? Oh no.
Deep inside your nose right here.
You gotta look. Here.
Yeah, we're at Lady Lake at the Grand Teton National Park. Somebody's having fun.
Mm-hmm.
Did you turn it on?
Mm-hmm. It's recording.
Okay.
No. I just
And now it is.
I just replaced the battery. Are you too far down?
I gotta take that little monkey inside.